Choosing the right retractable garden hose reel can make watering your garden, washing your car, or cleaning outdoor spaces much easier and more organized. A good hose reel should offer smooth, automatic retraction, durable construction, a tangle-free hose, and reliable performance for years of everyday use. With so many options available, finding the right one isn't always easy. To help you decide, I've selected the 3 best retractable garden hose reels based on their build quality, ease of installation, hose durability, retraction system, and overall value for money. In the third, the Glahoden delivers outstanding performance for anyone looking to keep their garden hose organized while making outdoor watering tasks faster and more convenient. Whether you're watering plants, washing your car, or cleaning patios and driveways, this hose reel combines durability, smooth operation, and impressive coverage. One of its biggest strengths is the automatic rewind system. The hose retracts smoothly and safely with controlled speed, reducing the risk of whipping while making storage quick and effortless. The integrated locking mechanism also allows you to stop the hose at virtually any length, giving you maximum flexibility during use. Build quality is another major highlight. The heavy-duty hose features a 3-layer PVC construction designed to withstand high water pressure, UV exposure, freezing temperatures, and everyday wear. Combined with the reinforced internal mechanism, the reel is built for years of reliable outdoor use. I also appreciated the 180-degree swivel wall mount, which allows the hose reel to rotate freely as you move around your yard. This wider range of motion helps eliminate unnecessary hose dragging and makes it much easier to reach every corner of your garden. The included 9-pattern spray nozzle adds even more versatility. With multiple spray settings ranging from gentle mist to powerful jet, it's easy to switch between watering delicate flowers, cleaning outdoor furniture, rinsing vehicles, or tackling tougher cleaning jobs. Installation is straightforward thanks to the reinforced mounting bracket and included hardware. Once mounted, the reel feels secure and stable, while the smooth guide system helps prevent tangles and ensures the hose retracts evenly every time. If I had to mention one minor drawback, it would be that the larger 100-foot model requires a sturdy wall for proper installation due to its heavier weight. Once securely mounted, however, it performs exceptionally well and feels extremely solid. Overall, the Glahoden is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a premium watering solution. Its durable construction, smooth automatic rewind, swivel mounting system, long hose, and versatile spray nozzle make it one of the best retractable garden hose reels for everyday outdoor use. Secondly, the hose reel is an excellent solution for keeping your garden hose organized while making everyday watering and cleaning tasks much more convenient. Whether you're watering plants, washing your car, or cleaning patios and outdoor furniture, this hose reel offers reliable performance with minimal effort. One of its biggest strengths is the automatic slow retract system. The hose rewinds smoothly and safely into the reel without snapping back, while the locking mechanism allows you to stop the hose at virtually any length for maximum flexibility during use. Build quality is another highlight. The UV-resistant hose is designed for long-term outdoor use and resists weather, sun exposure, and daily wear. Combined with durable brass fittings and a sturdy housing, the entire system feels solid and built to last. I also appreciated the 180-degree swivel wall mount, which allows the hose reel to rotate freely as you move around your yard. This wider range of motion makes it much easier to reach every corner of your garden, while reducing unnecessary hose dragging. The included 10-pattern spray nozzle adds plenty of versatility. Whether you need a gentle mist for flowers, a shower setting for plants, or a powerful jet for cleaning driveways and vehicles, switching between spray patterns is quick and simple. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included mounting hardware. Once securely attached to the wall, the reel remains stable, while the internal guide system helps the hose retract neatly without twisting or tangling. If I had to mention one small drawback, it would be that some users may find the full 110-foot hose slightly shorter than expected, depending on their installation location. Choosing the correct mounting position helps maximize the available reach. Overall, the Haza Reel is a fantastic choice for homeowners looking for an organized, durable, and easy-to-use watering solution. Its smooth automatic rewind, swivel mounting system, long-lasting construction, and versatile spray nozzle make it an excellent addition to any garden or outdoor space. And to finish, first of all, the Gardena is a premium watering solution designed for homeowners who want maximum convenience, smooth operation, and long-term durability. Whether you're watering flower beds, cleaning your driveway, or washing your vehicle, this hose reel delivers professional-level performance while keeping your outdoor space neat and organized. One of its biggest advantages is the roll control automatic retraction system. The hose retracts smoothly and safely with a gentle pull, preventing sudden snapping while the integrated guide keeps the hose feeding evenly back into the reel without tangles or kinks. Build quality is outstanding. The durable housing is designed to withstand year-round outdoor use and protects the hose from UV rays and freezing temperatures. Combined with Gardena's high-quality hose construction, the entire system is built to provide reliable performance for many years. I also appreciated the 180-degree swivel wall mount, which allows the reel to rotate naturally as you move around your yard. This wider range of motion helps prevent hose twisting while making it easier to reach every part of your garden without constantly repositioning the reel. The integrated spray nozzle adds even more convenience by allowing you to start watering immediately after installation. The wall bracket also includes practical storage for nozzles, connectors, and other accessories, helping keep everything organized in one place. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the sturdy mounting bracket and included hardware. Once installed, the reel feels extremely secure, while the automatic locking system lets you stop the hose at any desired length for comfortable, everyday use. If I had to mention one small drawback, it would be the higher purchase price compared to many competitors. However, the premium materials, smooth retraction system, and exceptional overall build quality help justify the investment for users looking for long-term reliability. Overall, the Gardena is an outstanding premium option for anyone who wants one of the most durable and user-friendly hose reels available. Its excellent automatic rewind system, swivel design, weather-resistant construction, and thoughtful storage features make it a fantastic long-term investment for any garden. That wraps up my selection of the 3 best retractable garden hose reels. Each of these models offers its own advantages. Whether you're looking for premium build quality, the smoothest automatic retraction, or the best value for everyday garden maintenance, the right choice ultimately depends on the size of your yard, the hose length you need, and your budget. If you are interested in the product, the link is in the description. But above all, subscribe to not miss the next videos. See you soon.